Hello, let's see how to reset a Samsung phone without knowing the pin. So right now you can see there is a pin screen and I'm not able to um, enter. I forgot the pin and even it will not allow me to restart. So it's just asking for the pin. So to reset this phone, what you have to do first, press the volume down key and the power button. So you have to keep on pressing this and hold until the device turn off. So now it's turned off and immediately press the volume up button and the power button together until you see the recovery screen. So let's wait. Yes. Now you can see the recovery screen is loaded. So here you have to choose factory data reset here. So I selected that option. So here you can choose the volume up key to select up and use volume down key to go down and choose the option. Once you selected the factory reset, just press the power button to select it. And here you can see the option here and I'm just selecting yes. So sorry, let me go back wipe and I'm choosing complete factory reset here. The second option which refers to the factory reset and now I'm selecting. So now you can see the device is formatted successfully and let's restart the device and see. So it will take like 2 to 3 minutes for the complete reconfiguration of your phone after the factory wipe. So be patient and I will not skip any part so that you can see how long it will take. So I will keep it as it is. So now you can see the device reset has been completed and it started loading. So now let's start. Choose your language. Select English, United States. Okay, I'm skipping all this part and let's see if I can reach till the Homepage. Okay, so this is asking to set up, so I don't want to set up, so I will choose forget password and set up in settings later. And I can skip this. There you go. We have resetted the device successfully, and now we can reconfigure it and use it. So thank you for watching. So if this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Uh, Thank you guys.